There's one case that jumps to mind, and that was a civil rights case. A deputy sheriff's son, unfortunately, like many kids nowadays, got addicted to drugs. So he was out on the street corner, naked, talking out of his head, and these police officers came upon him, and rather than handle him the way you would handle a mentally ill person, which is what they teach law enforcement, treat someone stoned on drugs the way you would treat a mentally ill person. To put it nicely, they manhandled him, and they sat on him. One large officer sat on him and suffocated him. It's called positional asphyxia. So it suffocated him. He just simply had a heart attack from not being able to breathe. And when we got the autopsy photographs, there were imprints of their flashlight all over his body. So the family came in to see us, and civil rights cases are really, to me, some of the most difficult personal injury cases you can have because of the heightened pleading. You have to prove, it's not vicarious liability. You can't say the officer did something wrong, therefore impute it to the city. And, if you're trying to get recovery for someone in the civil cases, all you can get is money. I mean, clients want you to do more than that, but we tell them right up front, we can't bring someone back. It's just about getting recovery through the civil system. We tried that case in front of a jury and got a $2.1 million verdict for the family, which at the time, as we did our research, was the largest civil rights verdict for a death in the southern region or southeastern region. They appealed it to the U.S. Supreme Court, and we won it there. So we collected for the family, and that was a very proud moment. We're still friends with that family to this day. We hear from the other siblings. They send us Christmas cards, and so it's a positive mark in our lives.